Hello, friends! Bentley is back, and there's something bold, eccentric, and in some ways brilliant about it. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see what Bentley has in store for us. Get to know the Bentley XP15, a concept car that is both unique and controversial. This is not just a random design study. This is a demonstration of Bentley's future design and preparation for the launch of their first production car with all-electric drive. Now let's be honest, XP15 is weird. Some call it bold, others say it looks derivative, or even strangely Chinese. And, to be honest, this model is difficult to define. Is this a compartment? A sedan? An SUV? It's like Bentley has mixed all three models in a blender. It's a complete departure from tradition, and that's the whole point. Stylistically, it doesn't look like any of the Bentleys we've seen before. In fact, it looks more like Volvo or Jaguar design experiments than classic British luxury. However, Bentley says it's the new face of the brand, and they're not backing down. At the front, the XP15 has a fully enclosed radiator grille with LED contours that mimic the classic Bentley shape, which is very important for electric vehicles. Vertical headlights enhance the impact effect, and the glowing emblem on the hood and the spectacular piano-shaped rotary mechanism are cool touches, but don't expect them from the production version. From the outside, everything looks even more wild. Black roof, two-tone silver gold body, massive wheel arches and wheels, focused on aerodynamics. The car is clearly striving to become like a crossover, thanks to the raised stand and narrow profile of the windows. But here's the trick. The doors are asymmetrically positioned, one on the driver's side, two on the passenger's side, and only one front seat. Yes, one thing. Why? Because there is a place for your pet in the Bentley. The rear of the car is more restrained, but it still has something special. Dual active roof spoilers, an elaborate diffuser, and futuristic taillights that look more like an Audi concept than a classic Bentley. It's polarizing, and that's the goal. Inside, everything gets really creative. XP15 is a mobile design laboratory with seating for three in a minimalistic luxury interior. On the dashboard in the center is a glowing black element with the Bentley logo, which emits light, creating a sense of depth and movement. All controls have been simplified. The traditional knobs have been replaced by a touch-sensitive rotary dial and tactile buttons. There is a thin horizontal display in front of the driver, and the steering wheel has an oval shape with a floating center spoke with the Bentley logo. In the back seat, you'll find a luxury console with its own display, a mini fridge, and even a designer lamp, all of which can be moved to the trunk, where Bentley has equipped a cozy seating area with pull-out seats for stargazing or sunset picnics. As for the power unit, there is no exact data yet, but we know that the XP15 is an all-electric platform with all-wheel drive, a capacious battery, a large power reserve, and fast charging. Everything you can expect from a new generation Bentley. With a length of over 5 meters, it is slightly shorter than the Flying Spur, but definitely still belongs to the category of full-size luxury cars. And that's the best part. It's not just a flight of fancy. Bentley has confirmed that the production version will be built on the same platform as the new electric Porsche Cayenne, adapted to Bentley ultra-luxe standards. So, what you see here is the foundation of Bentley's electric era, a bolder, more elegant, and more emotional approach to electric vehicles. The XP15 is not just a car. This mission statement is an idea of where the brand is heading. Like it or not, one thing is clear: Bentley is not playing it safe.